Well, hello my dear companions, and welcome back. Part 4, RiME. This is a new menu screen, and as you saw, the beast, the flying beast, was in this picture now, not the fox. I've got a few suggestions from you what I should actually call the fox. Oh, look at that. Some of you said that I should call the fox Harmony, which is a really cute name. We don't know if it's a girl or boy. I think it's just like a fox spirit. I don't know what I should actually go for. Should we just continue calling it Foxy Foo? Tell me in the comments down below if you want to name the fox something. Let's continue. There we go. There we go. And as usual, I'm using a controller. I'm using my custom companions controller, my PS3 controller. If you want, several of you have actually been wondering where I've got this controller from. It says Zalzar, has the logo, and says companions on the back, blue and white. I will have a link down in the video description down below to a video, an unboxing video, from where I got the controller. So if you want to get it yourselves, I think you can get it. Let's see if I remember the controls here. That's not what you're supposed to do. How do I scream again? There we go. There we go. There we go. And the game optimization is somewhat good. Oh, yeah, I remember this. This is where we ended last time. Let's do this, guys. And girls, don't forget the girls. Oh, I see. The sun thing is through there. Nope, wrong button. Let's see what happens if we make it nighttime. That's not how I'm supposed to do it. Okay. Oh, we have a lot. Wait. Where am I? Oh, the shadow. I see. Let's put it there. Is that good? Will that keep... Oh, it's... Okay, so we need to activate all of those at the same time. Okay, we can figure that out. We can figure that out. Like this? Yeah, there we go. Because then I have... If I put... Let's see here. That one there, then I have the shadow for that one and that one, and then I stand here. Let's try. Why can't I scream now? Oh wait, I can do it like this. And then run here, because it takes some time. There we go. Damn, I'm good sometimes. This game is just so beautiful. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, we need to pick some... Let's see. I think we need something here before we can use that. Oh, we're outside again. Wait. What about the bird? Wait. Do we need to be afraid? Yeah, we need to... Yeah, yes. Ooh. Let's do this. Nah. Oh, we're gonna die. Okay, so nothing there. Cool. Love that. Let's just check inside and see if we can use this in some way. Whoop. There we go. I would need something there. Oh wait, we can... No. Oh my god. I've been running around back and forth for like 10 minutes now. And I didn't see the white paint thing in it too. That indicates that you can actually climb. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, okay, okay. We know what to do. We know what to do. We know how to continue this. But come on! We know how to do this. It's easy. There we go, there we go. We can use these to take cover. Oh, yes, yes, I remember this. There we go, there we go. The bird doesn't like the smoke, thingy too. That's good. That's good, that's good. Now? Now what? Can we climb? Can we climb this? We still have to worry about the bird. Yes, we have to worry about the bird. Okay, okay. Can we jump? No. Huh. Oh wait, I see. Wait. We need that. We need that. Didn't see that before. I didn't see this before. And it opened up. Okay, cool. So we need to open the smoke vent thing. Here we go. Here we go. And if you remember from before, if we put an empty block, I think we will get the lamp thing too on top of that, so we can use it. Maybe. Let's see. Let's try. Boom, boom. There we go. There we go. Nope. Yes, and we can use it to block the sun thing through there with the shadow. Look at that. Boom. And that will open this one, please. Oh, more water. Okay, whoa. Chill. Okay. Okay. Can just dive. Run. Yes. Here we have the other vent thing. Smoke thing. Come on. There we go. Some thunder. Yes. One more tower, guys. Can I... How will I be able to... Oh, well, yeah, of course. Come on, jump up. There we go, boy. What is this? Bird. This is finished. That is finished. We have one more. The white, the ship. Okay, cool. Can we go here? I'm just looking for secrets, you know? Okay. Head through that thing too, I guess. Ah, okay, yeah, I know. Need to use these. The water bubbles. I'm having a really good time with this game. I really do. It's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. And I love games that can tell a story without any dialogue, really. My favorite game with that concept is Journey. Journey, exclusive for PlayStation. If you haven't played Journey, play it. It's such a good game. We'll have more of those. I don't know, but they were afraid of us last time. Hey, see? I thought they would attack us, but no. So creepy. Oh, do I need to go there? I guess. Wow. Whoa. I think there is an achievement if you activate all those torches. I thought I heard something. Should we check that? I kind of want to check out the ship. But I'm not sure how we're going to get up again, so let's continue. Let's continue. So beautiful. Okie doke. I think we have to worry about the bird here again, so yes. Is this enough coverage? Nope. It isn't. God, that scared me. Foxy Foo! I heard him! I heard Foxy Foo! Okay. I don't see him. Or her. Let's go here. Come on! Oh, there we go. Hey, Foxy Foo. Aw. Do I not need... Oh! I was just gonna ask if why do I need to worry about the bird? Come on, drop. There we go. Hey. Oh, how am I supposed to make that? Am I supposed to go down here? This was a bad route. Oh, I start here. So I am supposed to go down here. Oh, here, I see. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Doing good, doing good. Here we go. What's that? Or maybe that's just the icon for this windmill. That we're going to the white windmill. Which is the last one. For this part of the game at least. Oh. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. Yes, yes, yes. Can we make... I'm not sure if we're supposed to go inside. Should we go around? We can go here as well. This game is so big. So I guess there are small hidden secrets that you will find if you explore a bit. But let's focus on this for now. We're inside. We're inside. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I see where this is going. There we go. Do I need to go up here and activate that? I can't go up there yet, so... Let's head out, let's head out. Oh, wait, we can go to maybe... Let's try, let's head around and get that. Get the other one as well. He's looking. Oh my god, that's creepy. Maybe we need that later for the ship. But let's head out now. Let's head out now. So creepy. So creepy. Do we need to go around? Can I even go up here? I can't. Okay. Okay. This wasn't that easy. Okay, need to think, need to think. Okay. What happens if we do like this? And that goes down. Like, we have the big one to worry about. The bird, damn it. I'm thinking about... Oh, I see. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. See if we can use this. Go up here. Okay, so we needed to activate this thing to jump here, I guess. Was that good? I'm not sure if that was good. We broke it, but maybe it was good. There we go. We can have it like that. So we needed to destroy it a bit. I'm so sorry. Is the bird still here? Yep, he's watching. Okay, okay. Oh. Is that a bird or is that another enemy? Okay, okay. Okay. Let's think. This is easy, guys. Should I just head outside? No, that's the bird. That's the bird. But he's there right now. That's cool. That's cool. That's good. That's really good, actually. And he's gone. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Damn it. Please, can we go up here? Please, please. Yes, yes. This is intense, this episode. Ah, we need to, can we go here? Can we go past this? I don't think so. Okay, we need to go up here. Come on. There we go. There we go. And the bird is gonna come. Oh my. That's good, that's good. That's good. Yes. One. We can use this to continue. This is so intense. I love it. I love it. I hope you brought your popcorn, guys. Popcorn and favorite snacks and blankets, you know? Usual deal. Can we make that jump? Let's try it. Oh my god. Doing good. We're doing good. Just fine. The other side. There we go, there we go. Yes, yes. Finally. But what will this do to the island? kind of felt like the last. Foxy Foo! I'm gonna call him Foxy Foo. Whoa. Okay, okay. So when nighttime comes, we have all those Dementors for all you Harry Potter fans. Kinda look like Dementors. Where are you? I heard you. There, I see it. Look at all. Look at up there. What is it doing up there? I'm coming. I'm coming. The thing is, they are afraid of us. Maybe not. Wait, what? Why are they afraid of us? Whoa. Secrets. I will never be able to collect all of these things. I guess you will have a bit more of the story if you collect all those. But usually when I make a let's play like this, it's not a walkthrough, it's more of a playthrough. So we just enjoy the game and the things we stumble across. Check down here, okay. This game works so well with the controller. Really, really well. These statues look like bird statues, kinda. Like if the bird looked up. There we go. Come on, Birdie Boo. Or not Birdie Boo, Foxy Foo. Come on. Come on. I love games. Wait. Did he just kick us? I love games where we have a companion like this. I love that. This. Okay. We can continue a bit longer. Okie dokie. Oh, it's a bridge to... Okay, okay. I see, I see. There we go. The music in this game is so beautiful. I need to get this soundtrack. That was the bird. That was the bird. Did he die? I don't see him. Oh, they won't let us cross. What happens if I go through here? Oh. Okay, so now they are blocking. Okay. We'll see about that. We're gonna play some bowling. We're gonna play some bowling. Uh-oh. Oh, look at him. Come. Run, 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 run. I can't actually steer him. Oh, is he down there? I don't really see. Oh. Oh, hey, Foxy Foo. Oh, are we back here? Yes, we're back here where we first saw the thing with the... Let's open this up again. We first saw the bird. Do like that. And then we're gonna jump up and stand. Here. I love that you can use the day and night cycle. Really clever. Here we go. There we go. I'm standing right here. Ah, it's not good enough. Oh wait, the time, of course. The time... we need to have it exact because the time continues. So we need to hurry a bit. Come on. Do I need to have it even more exact? I thought I had it good. I saw a door where we can continue, but I think we actually need... What about that? Just want to see if we can open this. There we go. There we go. So we can go in here. That's blocked. Let's continue a bit longer. It's so good. Let's check the other door. I think it's blocked too. Oh, we can't continue there, but I think we're supposed to go here. Continue up this tower, because I guess the game ends when we reach the top of the tower. Oh, you see here, it tells the tale about the bird and its thunderstorm. Beautiful. Oh, these look like bipedal machines. Maybe we'll see more of them. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. So beautiful. I guess this is a new area. we're back here. Whoa. What? There we go. New area. With a lot more green scenery. I love that. I think actually we're gonna end the episode here. I would like to make like 1 hour episodes, but I also want to keep each episode with a specific theme. That's why I think it's good to stop at specific points, and I think this is a good end to stop. Good place to stop. So, I hope you enjoy. I hope to see. Oh, we can use those again. The vase. But I hope you enjoy. This is so beautiful. I love this game so much. I'm not sure how much we have left, really. I think we are more than halfway at least, but still, so beautiful. Leave a like, leave a favorite. It means a lot. It helps me a lot. I hope you enjoy and hope to see you in the next part rather soon. I will upload this more frequently. I promise you. But stay awesome, guys. Never ever forget to stay awesome. See you soon. Toodeloo!